now, exclusive Storm Tracker Doppler weather with meteorologist Chase Ward.
All quiet on Doppler radar. There are just a few clouds kind of left over as the front's exiting down to our southeast. We'll see lots of sunshine really throughout the day. Temperatures, they're starting off in the mid 30s in southern Arkansas, but a little bit warmer. We're in the upper 40s and was in the 50s down toward Alexandria, but now at 49 at Natchitoches and Alexandria. But you can see the eastern parts of the Vinton area and further north, we're seeing cooler air in place. So the front's kind of cutting us off a little bit as far as which areas are warmer and cooler. The winds are calm, so no wind chill or anything like that to deal with. Dew points also in the upper 30s, and they're in the 40s further down to the south. So there's moisture in place. Probably gonna have some fog on your windshields, maybe have some frost as well. So something we'll have to deal with. But visibility really hasn't been too obscured at all. It's been down to about 6 to 3 miles from Vicksburg to Greenville, and that's about the only thing we're seeing obscure as far as that's concerned. Cold front down to our southeast now. A cooler air mass will be in place to the north-northwest. High pressure settles in across the central plains and will move across us throughout the course of today. Looking to see forecast highs mostly near the upper 50s, near 60, 61, as we'll see a lot of that sunshine. But you know, those areas down to the southwest going to be a little bit warmer, mid 60s, but only mid 50s into parts of southern Arkansas. So you can kind of see where that dividing line between air masses are in place. And lows tonight looking to be lower 30s in Arkansas and only lower 40s in central Louisiana. Now, that front, as it moves off to the east, will have high pressure really be the main driver of the forecast here in the short term. But as we go into the start of the weekend, when the high pressure is off to the east, the winds start to shift more southeasterly. We're going to see a little surge in moisture, and temperatures will be warming up as well as we get closer towards Sunday, when a cold front expected to arrive, where we could see the chance for some strong to severe thunderstorms. There is a slight risk for severe weather that does encompass the entire Arkansas. Right now, it's going to be more of a damaging wind threat, but there is an isolated tornadic risk where we might see some embedded rotation along that main line. So that's what we'll be watching as we go into Sunday. So enjoy today. Lots of sunshine. Clouds increase as we go into tomorrow with that little surge in moisture as winds begin to shift more out of the south. And there might be a chance for some light drizzle. Like I said, we're going to have a lot of moisture in place as we go and start of the weekend. By Sunday, that's when that main line starts to move on through. It's going to be moving through around lunchtime into the afternoon. And depending on the cloud cover, might help to limit instability a little bit. But like I said, we could see some gusty to damaging winds on that line, and there can possibly even be some embedded rotation as well, but mostly an isolated risk as far as that's concerned. So once we deal with that, we're going to be mostly clear throughout much of next week, and Arctic air mass moves into place, which is really going to drop these temperatures. But we've been kind of talking about what's going to be going on next Thursday into Friday. Well, depending on the exact timing of our next little round of showers from Thursday through Friday is really going to determine if we could possibly see some winter precipitation. If it happens during the daytime hours, it's going to be like this model is indicating, just green. We're going to see nothing but rain. But if it kind of moves through Thursday night into Friday morning, we could possibly see some wintry mix and maybe sleet, possibly freezing rain, maybe even a few snow showers in Arkansas. Still several days out though, so we'll know a little bit more on that exact timing the closer we get to the late part of next week. So today, high 60, clouds clearing out. Tonight will be clear and a bit chilly. Then for tomorrow, we'll see temperatures in the lower 50s, will be just a tad cooler, and then warming up quickly to Sunday, so kind of hence the severe weather risk as we're above average on Sunday and then falling to below average just within 24 hours. So that will be in place that much next week, below average, and then there's that chance for some winter precip Thursday night into Friday.